Pagdating ko ng Canada in 1998, directly involved na ako sa community where I represented Ilocano Canadian Organization. As my entry level as a secretary, hanggang sa ako'y naging presidente ng Ilocano Canadian Organization of BC. Sa ngayon, I am representing the United Filipino-Canadian Association in BC, where I was elected president. United Filipino-Canadian Association in BC is generally the conglomerate or ito yung pinaka-umbrella ng mga iba't ibang asosasyon dito sa British Columbia. And this was done during the assembly of the Philcom leaders initiated by the Philippine Consulate General in Vancouver. Right now, we had series of meetings with the board of directors of the United Filipino-Canadian Association in BC in preparation for the Independence Day celebration, which we call Pista ng Bayan. So Pista ng Bayan started in 2007, which was initiated by the used to be former Deputy Consul General in Vancouver during the time of Raul Hernandez. Hanggang sa ngayon, yun pa rin ay ginagawa namin taon-taon, where we carried the name Pista ng Bayan. So this year, we are having two celebrations. One is Pista ng Bayan at Slocan. At saka pangalawa yung gala dinner sa Pan Pacific Hotel, where it will be attended by Philcom leaders and the different politicians dito sa Canada. Previous years, since my involvement with the community, I always attend the different, not just the celebration of Independence Day. So hindi lang yung celebration, kundi kung may mga calamity, kaming mga Philcom leaders ay natatap din sa paglilikom or pagpa-fundraise ng mga pera para may maitulong tayo sa Pinas. Yung mga support na ibinibigay ng community, say for example halimbawa yung may mga baguhan na immigrants dito. Say for example they need help. Halimbawa we help a lot of these people na in times of their need, halimbawa nung mga karamay, halimbawa yung may mga namamatay, usually yung mga Philcom leaders nag-uusap-usap kung ano yung mga nagagawa namin, and then we go there as a group to extend our financial donation and of course the moral support that we can extend to the family. So the Filipino communities in BC naman, we have a very good working relationship as far as the common goal is concerned, especially right now. It's been initiated by the Philippine Consulate in general, headed by Consul General Neil Frank Ferrer, and of course our Deputy Consul General Anthony Mandap. Ang inaano namin ngayon, yung pagkakaisa, kasi nakikita natin na there is a big need for us to have our own place, our own center, which didn't materialize in the past. And conservatively, it's one of the objectives of the association to come up with this. And sa ngayon, ang ginagawa namin is we are trying to get more members, more associations to participate with us as we go for a common goal for our community in Vancouver. Last night, I was contacting some of the Philcom leaders with regards to the state visit of the President. And like 99% or 100% are happy to see the President. And of course, maybe not just for the picture taking, siguro magandang indication yung pagpunta niya dito para makita rin ni Pangulong Pinoy kung ano yung mga hinaing o yung mga gustong iparating sa kanya sa ating Pangulo, kung ano nga ba yung mga hindi nakikita sa Pinas na nakikita ng mga tao outside the Philippines. Sa ating Pangulo, despite the criticisms that you get from the kababayans back home, just be firm. Alam namin at alam ng karamihan na ikaw ay gumagawa ng anumang bagay para sa ikauunlad ng ating mga kababayan at lalong-lalo na sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ka, Pangulong Pinoy!